How can I help?
Looking, what's the cheapest screen for iPhone 12 Pro Max?
12 Pro Max. We have an LCD aftermarket, which is $129.
Yeah.
That's the cheapest one.
Can I grab that?
You want it? Yeah, sure.
Book that in.
We'll book that in for you. Did you manage to do this?
It's just in my pocket at work. In my pocket at work. That's
See.
on the back's been going like that for ages, but yeah, it was just in my pocket. I don't know. I think I was bending over to do carpentry work.
Yeah.
Pulled it out and getting the top. Something must
It's the pressure.
Yeah, it must have just done the top there. Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes when you like bend over to do something, it like puts pressure on the screen
Yeah,
in your pocket, and then charging's a bit.
Yeah, I don't know
done.
if it's the charger or the cord though.
I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you got a lot of stuff in your charging port, so it's likely if I give it a clean, it will work a lot better.
All right. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, because when you put pressure, it works.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just.
I got an old cord too. I didn't know if it was that old.
Yeah, no, it's normally the charging port most of the time, to be fair. But
that'll be cool.
Yeah, I'll give that a clean for you. Don't worry about that.
All right.
Half an hour then.
All right. Cheers, bro.
See you in a bit.
Yep.
There you go, brand new again.
All right, working again.
Yep. We'll clean the port for you quick. It's not plugging in perfectly. Still like getting a bit jammed.
Yeah.
It's better though.
Yeah.
Definitely easier. It charges straight away this time instead of having to force it. It's just charging straight away.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Nah, cheers for that.
No worries. Cool, that's $129 altogether then. Comes with a 6-month warranty, so if you have any issues with the screen, just bring it back, we'll sort it out, okay?
No worries. Cheers, man.
Something you like receipt?
Nah, that's all good, bro.
All good?
Cheers, brother.
Alright, so you have a good one.
Have a good afternoon.
Take care.